If we talk about Madhya Pradesh, the 9 constituencies are going to the poll. Very tough contest has been seen in the Gwalior-Chambal region. Remember, in the last assembly elections, it was 25 assembly constituencies in which 13 were backed by the Bharatiya Janata Party, 12 went in favor of the Congress, and that's why we are saying this is a tough contest. But interestingly, it is Jyotiraditya Scindia from Guna who is contesting for the first time from the Bharatiya Janata Party. And for the benefit of viewers and to update all of us is that Jyotiraditya Scindia usually votes early in the morning at around 9 a.m. coming from his huge palace, Jai Vilas Palace, where he lives in Gwalior. But certainly today, it's a different scenes. Jyotiraditya Scindia had went to Shivpuri Guna constituency early in the morning to oversee what's the poll preparedness is all about, and later he will be coming to Gwalior to cast his vote at around 5:30 p.m. But as we were mentioning about the Gwalior-Chambal region, it consists of Gwalior, Bhind, Morena, and also a part of Guna constituency as well. And interestingly, it is from Prime Minister Narendra Modi to stalwart leaders of the Congress party like Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, all came up here and did several rallies trying to woo the voters of this belt, because caste equation is something that matters a lot in this part of the region of northern Madhya Pradesh. And certainly we also had a word with Narendra Singh Tomar, Madhya Pradesh Speaker, who was earlier the Agriculture Minister of the country. He clearly stated that this time people are voting for development in this region, because that was left aside, and people will come out in large numbers. Here in the polling booth as well in Gwalior, where I am reporting from, queues can be seen. People have come out in large numbers since morning and they are voting. We'll directly go across to the people out here who had come out in numbers and what their views are as far as what they think, what their agenda is all about. Certainly आप लोग यहाँ पर वोट करने के लिए आए हैं. सुबह क्या मुद्दे हैं आप लोगों के दिमाग में? नेशनल मुद्दों के साथ आप लोग यहाँ पर वोट करने आए हैं, लोकल आपके कुछ मुद्दे हैं?
अब ये तो नेशनल लेवल का मामला है, तो उसमें तो हम लोग तो अपनी ड्यूटी निभाने आए हैं. बाकी स्टेट अपना लोकल का होता तो हम लोगों को कुछ अपने फायदे देखे जाते हैं. यहाँ तो हमारी ड्यूटी है, सो हम वो पूरी कर रहे हैं.
तो लोकल जो मुद्दे हैं उनको आप थोड़े से इग्नोर कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की बात होती है हमेशा ग्वालियर में.
यस,
वो भी देख रहे हैं. आप क्या सोच कर आए हैं यहाँ पर वोट करने के लिए?
हम तो अपनी ड्यूटी निभाने आए हैं.
ड्यूटी निभाने आए हैं. आप क्या सोच के आए हैं? ग्वालियर के कुछ लोकल मुद्दे भी हैं यहाँ पर आपके दिमाग में?
नहीं, इस समय नहीं है.
इस समय नहीं है.
लोकसभा के चुनाव में कोई मुद्दा नहीं है. ग्वालियर का लोकल मुद्दा नहीं है, देश का मुद्दा है. जैसा कि जो भी देश के मुद्दे अलग अलग कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस में है, वो भी यहाँ पर सेम है. चाहे वो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट का मुद्दा हो या जो भी चीज़ें हों, चाहे महंगाई का मुद्दा हो, वो चीज़ें एक कॉमन है. वो हर जगह ऑल ओवर इंडिया में मिलेंगी आपको पास.
Well, interestingly, in Gwalior, the fight is between the Bharatiya Janata Party's Bharat Singh Kushwaha, who lost in the assembly elections, versus the Congress's Praveen Pathak, who also lost in the assembly elections, and both the leaders have been given ticket for the Lok Sabha seat in Gwalior. Interestingly, it will be we will be witnessing this contest as well, because
Yes.
Praveen Pathak, being a young candidate from the Congress party,
Rishika will also decide the fate of Shivraj Singh Chauhan.